VS Code is a free open-source code editor. Works for almost every programming language. It's a most popular code editor developed by Microsoft. I leave the link in the description. Once do check out for download and set up VS Code on your PC. You can resize everything by dragging. For the terminal, you can also simply drag from the bottom of your screen and move it up. Whenever you are working with languages, specific frameworks or scripts, you're usually going to be prompted to install an extension for those. Suppose you've to learn Java. Then, you need to install Java extension to run your code. Here are two popular extensions for VS Code: Prettier and Material Theme. It helps to highlight the code. By this you can easily change your theme. Go to the settings, and you need to access an editor which is mouse wheel zoom. By this you are able to see your code, if you've done any mistakes or if you need to check your code. By Control plus mouse wheel, you can access this. And now, I'm going to write a code by using Python. For that we need to make a folder.